In a bustling city, there existed a stark divide between the wealthy elite and the struggling working class. The rich lived in luxurious mansions, adorned with opulence and extravagance, while the poor toiled day and night to make ends meet. One such wealthy individual was Catherine, a successful businesswoman who had built her empire from scratch through hard work and determination. She had faced numerous challenges and setbacks along her journey to success, but she never lost sight of her dreams. However, despite her achievements, Catherine felt a growing resentment from the less fortunate. Many people in the community viewed her wealth as undeserved and believed that the rich acquired their riches effortlessly. They failed to recognize the sacrifices, risks, and countless hours of dedication that had fueled her success. One day, Catherine decided to bridge the gap and foster understanding between the two worlds. She organized an event where members of the community, both rich and poor, could come together and share their stories. She invited individuals from all walks of life to share their struggles, dreams, and aspirations. As the event unfolded, the attendees realized that they shared more similarities than differences. They discovered that the rich had their own set of challenges and burdens to bear. They faced immense pressure to maintain their success, the fear of failure, and the constant scrutiny of society. Likewise, working-class individuals shared their daily struggles, financial hardships, and dreams for a better future. They learned that not all wealthy individuals were born into privilege and that many had worked tirelessly to rise above their circumstances. Through heartfelt conversations and open dialogue, both sides gained a deeper understanding and empathy for one another. They realized that wealth or lack thereof did not define a person's worth or character. They acknowledged that compassion should be extended to everyone, regardless of their financial status. Inspired by this newfound connection, Catherine initiated various initiatives to support and uplift the less fortunate. She started a mentorship program for aspiring entrepreneurs, offering guidance, resources, and opportunities to help them succeed. She also established a foundation to address community needs, providing educational scholarships, job training, and financial support for those in need. The story of Catherine and the community serves as a powerful reminder that judging others based solely on their financial status is short-sighted and unfair. It highlights the importance of compassion, empathy, and understanding in bridging the gap between the rich and the poor. This story encourages individuals to look beyond material possessions and to recognize the shared humanity that unites us all. By fostering compassion and understanding, we can create a more inclusive society where everyone has the opportunity to thrive and succeed, regardless of their financial background. Thanks for watching. If you like stories like this, like and subscribe.